Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to add and use the real estate feature in your app. Log in your account and go to your business dashboard. Next, click on Manage App and you'll be redirected to the Overview page. Under the Edit, Test and Go Live section, click on Edit. In your Edit App section, go to the menu on the top left and click on Add Feature. In this slide-out menu, click on View All to see the list of features. Search for the real estate feature and click on Add Feature to add it to your app. You will now see the real estate feature listed in my features section. When you hover over the feature, you will see multiple options like hide feature, edit and customize feature, and delete feature. For more options, click on the keep out menu on the right and explore the options to move the feature up, down, top, bottom, or another folder. Let's click on the edit and customize feature option to see how we can edit the feature further. Here in the edit feature section, you will see all the options you can explore and start using the feature in your app. You can change the page name here. Click on the Change Icon section and this window will open up. Click on Select Icon, where you will see multiple options for your icons. You can further choose to see any solid and outline options. In the Select Image section, you will see loads of options for images that can be used as icons for your real estate feature. You can also upload a custom icon for Apple, Android, and website to make your app icon stand out. In the Content section, you can add your business name and change the icon from here by selecting one from our massive library and even uploading a custom icon. Click on Manage Properties and you can see a bunch of useful options here on the left side bar. In the Property Management section, you can click on Add Property and then add details about ownership, whether you want to rent or sell the property, and the property type. Then click on Save and Next. Now add all the location details like city, project name, locality, address, and GPS coordinates. Click on Save and Next. In this section, you need to add all the property details like area, unit, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, the total number of floors, the floor that the property is on, parking expected price or rent, and the booking or the deposit amount. Assign an owner for the listing and add an email address and a phone number. Choose whether you want to specify a lease duration or assign a minimum lease duration. Now add the details about the ability of the property and when the renter or buyer can move in. In the Add Media section, you have the option to upload an image, video, or YouTube URL. Then click on Save and Next. In the Feature section, select the amenities and offer. Next, add the description and details in the respective sections. You can also add an inquiry form for interested buyers or renters to fill out. Click on Save and Finish to add the property listing. You will now see the listing in the Property Management section with details like property ID, property address, date of listing, listing owner, and the number of inquiries received for the listing. Click on the ellipsis button for more options. Click on Edit Listing to make the necessary changes. You can change the status of the property to renter or sold out. Once you have multiple properties listed here, you can search for a particular listing using the filters at the top and get the most relevant results. Click on the user list to see the properties listed by users through the app. In the Manage Inquiries section, you will see all the inquiries you have received. In the Manage Reviews section, you will see all the reviews listed here. Click on General Settings and you will reach the Configuration settings where you can choose suitable options using the toggle button next to the setting options in the General Settings section. In the Payment Method section, you can choose to make the app free or enable in-app purchase. Here you can add the Android and iOS payment credentials. You can also find relevant tutorials for the process by clicking here. Scroll down and add your Android payment receipt credentials. You can choose to use these credentials as global credentials. You can further go through these settings here and choose what works best for your app, like inquiry form, email notification for inquiries, show high sold out properties, high show rented out properties, distance, image, currency, contact number, and more. Now go to the language settings section and check whether you want to add or edit any field. Next, go to the Property Management, select the property type, and you can edit the name and update. Click on the bin icon and confirm to delete. Scroll down to the amenities section, select the ones you want to add, and you can also change the name of the amenity and click Update to save it. Click on the bin icon and confirm to delete. Scroll down to the area unit section, and here you can choose the unit and even change the name of the unit, and then click Update to save the changes. Now click on CMS page section and add the terms and conditions and privacy policy for your app and click Save. In the Claim Properties section, you will see properties claimed by the app users. In the Import-Export section, click on Upload CSV section, and you can click and upload property CSV. For help, you can download a sample CSV file or even refer to our tutorial. You also have the option to export into CSV or Excel here. Click on Go Back and you will reach the app editor. Go to the Design section and you can view and edit the various color elements and the font size. You can also choose to hide the border using this toggle button. You can also enable the back navigation button on the header. Next, go to the in-app settings. Here you can enable or disable in-app for your app with the simple toggle action. Here you can add the Android and iOS payment credentials. You can also find relevant tutorials for the process by clicking here. Scroll down and add your Android payment receipt credentials. You can choose to use these credentials as global credentials. All the edits and changes will be saved automatically, but you can also save them manually. As soon as you click Publish, you will be able to see all the changes immediately.